Welcome to Korea Spicy Bunny Stories. Imagine this. Your fiancé tells you something about yourself. Something no one has ever said before. And the more he says it, the more you start to doubt yourself. But one night, you realize something terrifying. You were never the problem. Hello, my spicy bunnies. Today's story is not just drama. It's psychological. It's subtle. And honestly, a little scary. Because sometimes, the most dangerous person in your life is the one you trust the most. Let's get into it.
I was in my mid-30s, and I was about to get married. Everything felt stable, safe, normal. We had already signed a lease together. During the week, I stayed at my parents' place. On weekends, I stayed with him at our new home. For most of my life, no one had ever told me I snored. Not my parents, not my friends, not even my exes. If anything, people used to say I slept too quietly, like I didn't even move. But then one morning, everything changed.
You must have been exhausted. You were snoring like crazy.
I froze. Snoring? Me? Really? I've never heard that before.
Well, now you have.
He laughed, like it was nothing. I felt embarrassed, but I brushed it off. Later that week, I asked my mom.
I've never noticed that. Maybe you were just really tired.
So I let it go. The next weekend, it happened again.
Wow. It was even worse this time. You kept me up all night.
My stomach dropped. All night?
Yeah. I barely slept because of you.
Now I felt guilty. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. Just do something about it.
That felt different. Next time, record it. If it's that bad, I should check it.
Why are you making this such a big deal? You snore. That's it.
He dismissed it instantly. That made me uneasy. I asked my sister, "You? Loud enough to wake someone? That doesn't sound like you." Now I didn't know what to believe. Was something wrong with me? Or was something off? One night, I couldn't sleep at all. I was watching videos, reading news, scrolling on my phone. Hours passed. I never fell asleep. Not even once. Around 2 a.m., I got up to use the bathroom. When I came back, he was awake.
Seriously? How am I supposed to function today?
Why?
You kept snoring all night. I woke up like 5 times.
My heart dropped. I hadn't slept at all. I didn't sleep. I was awake the whole time. Silence.
What are you talking about?
I mean it. I didn't sleep. He stared at me, then scoffed.
So now you're saying I'm lying?
I froze. That's not what I
know what I heard. Don't try to twist this.
Then suddenly,
My head is killing me. This is exactly what I mean.
he rubbed his temples. Like I was the problem. That was the moment. Something wasn't right. I went to a clinic, just to be sure. Everything came back normal, so I tested it myself. At my parents' house, I recorded my sleep. Nothing. No snoring. Then I did it again. At our place. Same result. Silence. That's when I realized this wasn't about snoring. There were other things too,
You've been getting gray hair lately. You didn't notice?
but no one else saw it. Not my mom. Not my hairdresser. Only him. Again and again. Things I couldn't confirm. Things that made me question myself. That's when it hit me. He wasn't just noticing things. He was rewriting my reality. I asked him to meet at a cafe. I recorded myself. I don't snore. Are you sure you heard it right? I tried to stay calm, but he didn't.
You recorded me? Without telling me?
I just wanted to check.
That's insane. That's actually insane.
He laughed, but not in a normal way.
You're accusing me now, after I've been dealing with this for weeks.
I wasn't accusing you.
I couldn't sleep because of you. I was worried something was wrong with you. I even looked up treatments.
He leaned forward.
And this is how you repay me?
I couldn't speak. Everything flipped. I was defending myself for something I never did.
You're overreacting. You always do this.
That word stuck. Always? He stood up,
I need space. Think about what you did.
and he walked out. That night, he barely contacted me. Then later,
You should have called. We both crossed a line.
we, not both of us. Something inside me shifted. Not anger, not sadness. Clarity. I thought about everything. Every comment, every doubt, every moment I questioned myself. And I realized something. I don't feel safe with him. Not physically, mentally. So I made a decision. I'm not getting married.
Wow, that's not just a red flag. That's psychological manipulation. He didn't just lie. He made her doubt her own reality. And that's the most dangerous part. But in the end, she saw the truth. And she walked away. That's real strength. So tell me, my spicy bunnies, would you have noticed it sooner? Or would you have believed him? I'll see you in the next story. And don't forget to subscribe for more spicy Korean chaos.